Get into a car with value. 2016 Tesla Model X. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a family-friendly Model X that offers all-wheel drive, an available third row of seating, advanced safety and infotainment features, a smooth, comfortable ride, and future-ready touchscreen controls. The road ahead looks bright from behind the wheel of this long-range, all-electric SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power liftgate, power driver seat, dual zone AC, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Feel excited about the future when you're at the controls of this innovative Model X. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.